Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can import an image in Onshape CAD. So first of all, what we need to do is click on the plane that you're going to sketch. So I will create a sketch and sketch on that plane. And basically, if you want to import an image, you'll need to be in a sketch, and right here, click on this drop-down menu, and you'll see insert DXF or DWG or insert image. Select on insert image and you'll be able to use your current document or other documents to search for an image, or you can basically import it. So to import an image, basically go to import, and now right here what we'll need to do is select your image. So let's say I'll select this YouTube subscribe button, and this will import an image, and now I'll be able to actually use that image. So as you can see, this is my imported image right here. Now to fully import the image, go back to the sketch and click again insert image. Now select on your image and draw a rectangle, and you'll see your image. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.